Back on In Focus tonight, the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial heard that the forensic expert failed to record crucial evidence during a crime scene investigation in Vosloorus. Defense lawyer advocate Zandile Mshololo put it to Lieutenant Colonel Thobeka Mhlahlo that this constitutes negligence. Mshololo was cross-examining Mhlahlo about her forensic work a day after the Bafana Bafana captain was shot dead. Newzroom Afrika's Matilda Mothoatlhaga filed this report.
From the report that you received from Lieutenant Zwane, were you informed that Makhumalo picked up one of the exhibits and showed it to the police that this is the exhibit that was worn by the suspect? Did you receive such a report?
Incompetence and cracks within the police investigations were again the order of day in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial in the Pretoria High Court. The state witness, Lieutenant Colonel Thobeka Mhlahlo, remained tight-lipped on the prospect that the Meyiwa crime scene could have been tampered with.
This crime scene that you attended on the 27th of October, did you receive the report that there is a person by the name of Mr. Khumalo who was at some stage after the incident left in control of the house and left with the keys to the house? If you can respond, Lieutenant Colonel, from your knowledge and from your skills and experience, if a person is left in control of the house without the presence of the police, there is a possibility that that person can interfere, place or remove the exhibits inside the house.
Ntokozisi Twala, a longtime friend of Meyiwa, previously testified that he jumped into the yard of the Khumalo neighbor to seek refuge after Meyiwa was shot. And with this in mind, the defense questioned Mhlahlo if she conducted thorough investigations on walls surrounding the Khumalo home. But the forensics expert told the court that she saw no link between the walls and the crime scene.
So, in other words, according to your knowledge, skills and expertise, you did not consider as it necessary to take the pictures of the wall and also to take measurements of the wall. Okay, so as a result of that, you did not think that the walls formed part of the crime scene?
Continuing with her evidence, Mhlahlo said no fingerprints were found on the door the alleged intruders used to enter the Khumalo home on the Sunday evening of the 26th of October in 2014, in what the state describes as a robbery gone wrong. She testified that she powdered the kitchen door on the Monday morning after Meyiwa was shot, but there were no fingerprints to lift. The same door was not cordoned off during her forensics work, she told the court.
There was no need to close that door as a no-go zone area. So there was no need.
The door was being used.
Yeah. So all the people who were moving in and out of that house, they were using that entrance. And including everyone who had access into that house. Since you have said there was no other door, it means anyone who have accessed that house used that door.
Cross-examination continues on Thursday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Matilda Mothoatlhaga.